All right, ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1. We did it!
We did it!
With just 5 days to spare before my 31st birthday, we're financially independent.
We're retired.
We're done. We're not done. But we have enough money every month to cover all of our expenses without needing to work.
Who would have thought that was gonna happen?
We thought that.
In January 2014, we made our video talking about how we wanted to be financially independent by Mike's 31st birthday, so while he was 30.
Along the way, we had 2 kids, and we changed our goal a little bit. So the initial goal was that we would save $420,000 cash. Along the way, we got up to around like $250,000, $270,000, and then invested over 100 of that into a warehouse. We bought a 9-unit warehouse. At the time, we spent $480,000, and we put $100,000 down, plus about $35,000 into it, into repairs. And we made a video back in September saying this.
The good news is that the terms of the owner financing are pretty cut and dry.
7 years at 5%, meaning in 7 years, we're gonna have a paid off warehouse generating almost $100,000 a year for the rest of our lives. And so when we made that video in September, we said we're leaning towards the paid off in 7 years, 100,000. Well, 2 things changed. First, the building is making more money and costing less to operate than we initially expected. So rather than like $2,000 a month, it's actually netting more like $4,000 or $4,500 if we refinanced. So that was enough by itself, but we also just decided, if we refinance and take the money now, our kids are young enough, they're not in school, we can travel now, we can do what we want now, and we can always pay it off quickly if we want to. So we can still take all the revenue from this building and pay it off. We can actually have it paid off in 5 years if we wanted. Or we can draw as we need to travel and do the things we want with our kids now.
So we chose option 2, and our mortgage payment went from $5,500 a month to $2,500 a month.
And not only that, because we refinanced, we also got an appraisal, and the building came back conservatively at $700,000. Our loan payoff was $337,000. So that, combined with the money that we still had on our retirement accounts, means we cracked the $500,000 mark. As it stands, we could sell the building and just have $500,000 in the bank, or we can keep the building and draw anywhere between $3,000 and $4,500 a month, which is what we've decided to do. Also with the appraisal, we got some good information that the average property manager in our county charges 6.3% per month. So you could take that off the top if you want, and we still are making over $3,000 a month off the building. So if we ever did want to go the property manager route and be completely passive with it, we have that option too.
Believe it or not, this refinance was actually a lot more stressful and more of a headache than actually purchasing the warehouse. And we started this back in April, right?
Yeah, we wanted to tell you guys really bad. Like, we had decided, we have the 2 options, we have the flexibility, we're gonna refinance. What I want to do is go back in time. I want to go year by year and figure out how the heck we saved up that $130,000 cash to begin with, and kind of give you a timeline of how we went from nothing to financially independent. But I need more time to do that, and we just wanted to get this video out and just celebrate with you guys. Yeah, we made it. We made it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.